皆さんごきげんよう、小島です。今、スペインのフォレスタデントの、学会会場に到着しました。Ravi, super big.
My savior. Oh, how are you? Being and no, the bad part is I have to listen to everybody.
Morning.
I not Guinness. I may need something stronger. Okay. This is my chair. You know that?
Yeah. All the time.
I mean that chair. So introducing the people have to ask questions. I do all that. But
Do you want the chair?
no, that chair is
okay.
fine.
Okay.
It's fine there. No, I don't need any other chair. I just want to set up because I have the first lecture. But maybe Stefan will show anything? No.
Maybe it just works.
So can we set it up? See if my lecture is okay. This should be a table here. Hi, how are you?
Good morning.
There is no, yeah, but last time the whole thing fell. That's all. Okay.
Okay.
You
So-
sure? No, I'm not sure.
For Maca is
Yeah, you see, last time it fell down completely.
the solution. We make it is put a pen here.
Okay,
Pen
something.
here, no problem because stop the.
I hope so. I hope so. Okay,
So-
then
It's necessary the connection.
yes,
special
I give
connection.
you. I
Okay.
give you.
Perfect.
But it's an American connection,
Yes.
so.
Ravi, you can see over there.
Yeah.
Two huge conference place.
I was going to say a few things about you, but I guess I won't anymore. You are here.
「間もなく、ラビナンダ先生の講演が始まります。ここの会場は約1000名ほどの、参加者が入るみたいですごく大きいです。で、僕の講演は明日なんで、今日はちょっと楽しみながら聞いてみようかなと思ってます。いい場所がすぐ出てるんですよ。いい場所はね。さて、今日は、全員ミニスクリューを使う公演みたいなので、 非常に楽しみですね。
Yeah. And then we have
And then Domingo,
Domingo,
then Giorgio, then Becerra, porque ya la. The pronouns Becerra.
Becerra. Becerra.
Becerra.
Becerra. Should I say Becerra?
Becerra.
Because it's already set up, and this works and this works.
Very good. You can translate without my even speaking because you have translated me so many times. So where are you sitting actually?
There's many languages actually.
So I know there is a version. No?
Yes, and in Spain also. There's German, French, Polish, Russian, and Spanish. I'm with that bold guy who has also translated
But
it
not too many people have.
They will come in, and they probably have them in their hands. And when you start,
After my lecture, I will use this for my lecture. But after my lecture,
Okay.
I have to introduce people,
Okay, let's use.
and then I will use the one with that. Hello.
Okay. It's okay.
It's not working.
Yeah, it's working. But we
Oh.
check. No.
Okay.
It's mute. Okay.
Okay. So when I come up, I press that.
The up button.
No problem.
Good. Always happy to see you.
So we have little issues going on. They cannot connect the picture with this. That's what's going on for the last half an hour.
We can always talk about biomechanics.
No, actually that's what I'm going to do. I'm starting with mechanics because I just want to say that when you use the word mechanics, talk about mechanics. Hello, how are you?
Lovely to see you. I'm from Dr. Herbanda's department, New Delhi.
I know, but he does. You bet. Why wouldn't I remember? Plus, I see you in the pictures all the time. Too.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I'm Sunanda.
You put S there, SU there.
Yes, yes, yes.
Otherwise, you are Nanda.
Right, actually, at home I'm Nanda.
Very good. Say,
Looking forward.
my pleasure. It's nice to see all of you here, a lot of familiar faces. This is my, I think, 4th or 5th year coming to this wonderful symposium. I have two tasks today. One is to give my lecture, and after that I'm going to sit on that chair and I will introduce our speakers. And hopefully our speakers will leave about 5 minutes for any questions and if we need few answers from them. So I encourage all of you that if you have any question, please ask or write it on a piece of paper and slip it to one of the first event team here and they will give it to me. Okay, I'm up there now. So, So we are starting about 20 minutes late, and so hopefully we'll try to keep everything on time, and maybe we'll cut short a few minutes of lunchtime and coffee break also. So my talk is going to be, as it says right here, biomechanics. I had a choice of speaking on many subjects, but I picked this one because sometimes that is expected of me since I'm associated with biomechanics. And I thought maybe we will talk about biomechanics in some patients related with aesthetics and multidisciplinary treatment. This is how the University of Connecticut looks like now. This is medical and dental school only. So my lecture outline depends on time. How much time I have is going to be on contraction of molars, space closure, multiple missing teeth, alveolar tags for managing spaces, push or pull mechanics, combination of tags in class 5 geometry. So if I get a chance, I'll talk about class 5, what it is, and mass retraction of maxillary and mandibular spaces. So this is my wish list. Not sure we will cover everything. So when we talk about multidisciplinary patients, when we talk about force system with the tags, oftentimes in the space closure, this is a very simple method, you can put it in the brackets. So in other words, you can put a 19 by 25 wire, which would be beta titanium or stainless steel. But now what happens is, if you're using your O2 too small, you left a very little space in there. So in other words, you have a friction tooth movement is going to be slower. So in other words, now slower tooth movement, more friction, but at the same time, the force is way below the center of resistance. So that is going to be also an issue. So now what happens is that if you are applying a force, what is going to happen? You've got to go closer to the center of resistance if you're going to be using tags. So this is why we always say, whether you use bioprogressive or straight wire, you've got to use tags. The world is changing because the tags are going to give you a very stable anchorage in the posterior. A mathematical model, and then on that model you are going to decide that how the things are going to change if you change the position of the tag and the point of force. So this way I don't have to do a prospective study over a 2-year period and worry about whether the patients are going to go through the treatment or not. So we published this in the European Journal of Orthodontics, and what we did was that we positioned the hooks at different. Now we are home free because now I can apply a force in the distal direction without worry. You'll see Flavio Rive, these days are Junji Sugawara, who I've been working with since 1982, 81, when he stayed with me 2 years. Since then we have published many. Kenji Ojima, I've been working a lot with him on aligners, mechanics of aligners. And we just finished a study on his open wide patients. One of my residents did a thesis on that. And just to show you some of the books we have done, we have a new book coming out on temporary anchorage devices. And I think Beyond wrote a chapter and Kenji wrote a chapter. There are a lot of good chapters. It's going to be out in January. This is a book we did with Professor Foranato with 2 volumes. From the amazing chapters in this book. So it tells you we are busy. We are coming up with a book on aligners also, which should be out in February or March. But my job is basically talking about the mechanics. So hopefully I gave you a little bit of an idea of how we look at multidisciplinary cases. So I want to thank all of you. You have been wonderful. I took my time. I have 4 minutes left for questions. So any questions, please ask. And thank you very much.